How to set travel notification for your US bank card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set travel notification on your US bank card so your purchase go through smoothly while you are away. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, it'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, you can just click on login and after that, you can simply enter your user ID and password to log into your US Bank account. And now here, once logged in, simply look for the card service and after that you can simply look for the travel notification in the menu. And once you have done that on the new page, you simply have to fill in your trip details, destination, travel dates, and any other info required. And once you're done with that, you simply have to review your information and then just hit submit to notify US Bank about your travel plans. And that's it. That's how you can set a travel notification for your US Bank card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.